Hi! Today I'm going to discuss Piggyback Mortgage Calculator. Stay tuned because at the end of the video I'll share a list of tips and tricks when using a piggyback loan. You won't want to miss it, so stay tuned. I'm Kristen Stampini and thanks for joining me today. So, understanding piggyback loans. A piggyback loan, which is also referred to as a blended rate mortgage, is a combination of two mortgages. It essentially involves taking out a second mortgage to amass a down payment over 20% of the value of the property as means of removing the need to pay a private mortgage insurance lender. So it is not possible to use a piggyback loan to cover a down payment against a government-backed home loan. For example, USDA, FHA, and VA loans don't qualify. The combined cost of the two mortgages can be less than the cost associated with repaying a single mortgage in addition to a PMI premium. The most common forms of a piggyback loan are 80-15-15 or an 80-10-10 or an 80-15-5. In this case, the first number represents the percentage of the first mortgage and the second is the second loan and the third is the percentage of the down payment, which can range from 5 to 15%, sometimes a little bit less. So the piggyback calculator will estimate the first and second loan for the piggyback loan mortgages. You can choose principal and interest, bi-weekly and interest-only options. You can choose the interest rate and loan term of the first and second loans. So the piggyback loans are usually available on conventional mortgages. The conventional loans are based on the lending guidelines of the Federal National Mortgage Association, or Fannie Mae, and the Federal Home Loan Mortgage Corporation, Freddie Mac. Most jumbo loans also meet Fannie and Freddie guidelines and are eligible for a piggyback home loan. Piggyback loan calculator, you can use this piggyback loan calculator to make a decision as to whether you should opt for a piggyback loan as opposed to taking out a loan to cover private mortgage insurance. So thanks again for tuning into my channel. I hope you like this video, and if so, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. I provide weekly videos to help you. Okay, so you'll know every single Tuesday you have a new video. If you would like a list of tips when using a piggyback loan, leave a comment below and I'd be happy to get that for you. Also, if you have any questions, because I know it is a little complicated, just reach out to me and I'd love to talk to you. Bye.